Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2005 Mercedes C240 maintenance light reset. We're going to be using this button over here, the menu button. This is the menu button, up and down, and also the button on the left right here, as you can see. Let me focus. Focus, please focus. No focus? Oh, yeah, that's fine. You know where it is. Now go ahead and turn on your car without starting. That's the second click. And you're going to be pressing the menu button until you find the mileage. Okay, if you're not, then just press until you find the mileage, and then after you get here, press up or down to will find this service A exceed by 244 days. Now press and hold this button over here on the left side. Press and hold it until you another screen pops up. That now let go. Now press and hold again for approximately 2 seconds. There it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.